Harry the Horse's Great Letter H Adventure. Once upon a time, there was a happy horse named Harry. Harry loved his name because it started with the letter H. One sunny morning, Harry decided to go on a big adventure to find other friends that start with the letter H. First, Harry trotted to a big green hill. At the top, he saw a beautiful house. The house had a red roof and a tall chimney. "Hello, house," Harry neighed. "House starts with H, just like me." Harry felt very happy. Next, Harry looked down at his feet. He saw a tiny, hopping hare. The hare had long ears and a fluffy tail. "Look," said Harry, "hare starts with H." The little hare hopped high into the air to say hello to his new friend Harry. Harry kept walking until he saw a bright yellow hat resting on a fence. He put the hat on his head. It looked very silly. Harry laughed because he knew that hat starts with the letter H. It was a perfect fit for a horse. The sun was getting hot, so Harry found a hammock swinging between two trees. He took a little rest. "Hammock starts with H," Harry whispered. It was a very soft and cozy place to take a nap during his long hiking trip. Suddenly, Harry heard a loud buzzing sound. He saw a busy honeybee flying near some flowers. The bee was collecting sweet nectar. Harry smiled, because honeybee starts with H. He watched the bee fly home to its hive. In a garden nearby, Harry saw a giant sunflower. Wait, that starts with S. But then he saw a hyacinth flower. It was purple and smelled so sweet. Harry sniffed the bloom. "Hyacinth starts with H," he said with a big grin. Harry looked up at the sky and saw a helicopter flying high above the clouds. It went chop, chop, chop with its loud blades. Harry waved his hoof. "Helicopter starts with H," he shouted. It was moving very, very fast. Then Harry met a tall hippo splashing in a cool pond. The hippo loved the water. "Come in," called the hippo. Harry shook his head, but he was glad to meet him. "Hippo starts with H," Harry noted. They shared a big snack. Harry felt a little hungry, so he found a jar of sweet honey. It was golden and sticky. He took a tiny lick and loved the taste. "Honey starts with H," Harry said. It was the best treat he had found on his whole adventure. Finally, Harry found a shiny silver heart sticker on the ground. He stuck it on his chest. "Heart starts with H," he said softly. The heart made him feel full of love for all the new things he found on his wonderful journey. What a great day! Harry the horse found a house, a hare, a hat, a hammock, a honeybee, a hyacinth, a helicopter, a hippo, honey, and a heart. They all start with the letter H. Can you say H too? What H is for? H is for horse. H is for house. H is for hare. H is for hat. H is for hammock. H is for honeybee. H is for hyacinth. H is for helicopter. H is for hippo. H is for honey. H is for heart. Please say again what H is for. If you like this story, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, Kids Love Nature.